Touch your tail. You don't like when anyone touches your tail. That's good. Good job. Good job. Nice job. It's okay. Everybody can have a turn. Wow.
AB.
Bye, Steven.
Henderson one?
My name is Donna. Good to meet you, David. What's your plan today?
Like her?
Nothing? Oh my gosh, I love
We're
it.
getting a nice spot
I always
here.
have stuff going on. I know. You know, I thought he wanted to get her up earlier, but somebody else was petting her and he didn't really like it. Nope. Oh, you know what she loves?
She loves to swipe
She
your
steals
towel. She
Kleenex.
steals that.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a Kleenex thief.
She loves to steal Kleenex. But don't, what was he saying? Don't sit down, they took your seat away. Well, thanks for visiting with us.
It was nice to meet you. Hopefully we'll see you all again. For those of you